Hi, I wanted to do a quick video to explain how to break down your macros if you already have your calorie goal. So in this example, your resting calorie rate was 1593. And so if you go to the macro cheat sheet that I sent you, here are the maintenance calories, which you already know what your maintenance calories are. I'm sorry, what your resting calories are. So you're going to want to scroll all the way down to step 3 to find your macros. First we're going to determine your protein. We're going to go just off of the average of 1.1 grams of protein per pound of body weight. Your current weight, for example, is 100. Look it up real quick. Let's see. Current weight was 126 pounds. And so you're going to multiply the 126 times 1.1 for the grams of protein. And that will equal 138 grams of protein. Obviously, it shows here 138.6. You can round up if you would like. You don't have to. I typically will round down. And then if you go, so there, your daily grams of protein should be 138 based off of the 1593 calorie goal. So back to the cheat sheet, determine carbs. Again, we're just going to go off of 1.1 grams just for example's sake. You can raise or lower this depending on what your individual goal is, or just food preferences. If you prefer to have more fats or more protein, you can certainly move those grams around. So we're going to go off of 1.1 grams since that's the same. So 126 times 1.1, and that's going to equal 138 grams of carbs. Okay, and now here, the next step is going to be determining your fats. So before we determine your fats, we need to figure out how many calories altogether your protein and carbs make up. So you're going to multiply your number of grams of protein by 4 because there are 4 calories in every gram of protein. There are 4 calories in every gram of carb. So easy enough. We're going to go over here and do 138 times 4. And so that's going to be 554. And so there is your total. So 554 times 2 is 1108.08, right? Oh, sorry, 1108.8. Okay, so now you're going to subtract the 1108.8 from the 1593. So let me plug in the 1593 minus the 1108, and that is going to give you how many calories you have left over for fats. 1593 minus 1108.8, 484.2. Okay, so now we have 484.2 calories left over. So to determine fats, we're going to go back over here. You have your total calories minus your protein calories and your carb calories. And then what that will equal is how many calories of fat you have left. Now, fat, every gram of fat is 9 calories. So you're going to divide your total number of fat calories by 9. So just like it says here below. It's a little quick overview. So you have your fat calories divided by 9, and there are your grams. So we have 484.2, divide that by 9. And that will give you 53 grams of fats. So your totals on your resting days If you didn't want to change up your macros, you simply wanted to eat at what your basal metabolic rate called for, you would want to consume 138 grams of protein, 138 grams of carbs, and 53 grams of fats. And so again, based on preferences, you could lower fats and increase protein, or lower carbs and increase fats, however you wanted to do it to reach that calorie goal of 1593. If you have any more questions, feel free to text me or email me at sarahscan@gmail.com. And you can also find me on happyfitsarah.com and contact me through there. And I am happy to help you out however I can. I hope this was helpful. Talk to you soon.